It's right beneath the E and the Y.
Yep, ready.
Ready?
Holy left.
I'm just trying to freak people out.
That was close.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Wasted that
That was beautiful.
I got hit with something.
Oh, Myers no longer Myers.
Nope. Look at that. That's all that's left.
That was nasty. It like bent it around the tree stump.
Damn. Fuck that thing. It was cool.
I'm surprised this wood's not taking a beating.
Yeah.
I mean, the top of it is, but
It's
I'm
not
surprised
too
it
bad.
hasn't shifted like at all.
I'm just gonna split it out.
I mean, this was a flat piece at first.
Yeah, it
so I
was.
mean, definitely is